Intelligent battery detector, car, motorcycle, electric vehicles, truck, suitable for 1-2V batteries. Product accessories, manual, battery detector with alligator clip. Static battery voltage situation. The red light low is the current battery low power. Please replace the battery in time. The status of the battery when the car is not started. The bright blue light full is fully charged. If the car is not started, the status of the battery is medium power, and the green light is on to indicate medium. If the car is not started, the battery status is on and the red light low is low power. The battery status is no power, and the white light empty screen has no value displayed. Start the car to measure the status of the battery, and the bright blue light high means the voltage is high. Start the car to measure the status of the battery, and the bright blue light good is a good voltage. The battery detector has the function of reverse connection protection. It prompts the alligator clip to connect the positive and negative poles to the reverse.